Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable Smart Sidebar on any Oppo phone. Now to do that, just open Settings, then tap on Accessibility and Convenience. And from here, you will find the option of Smart Sidebar. Just tap on it, then enable this toggle to enable Smart Sidebar on your smartphone. And once you enable this toggle, a small bar will appear at the side of the screen. Now just swipe from the side of the screen to enable Smart Sidebar on your smartphone. Then tap on Get Started, and as you can see, we have successfully enabled Sidebar on our Oppo phone. Just like that. But if you cannot find the Smart Sidebar option over here, then go back to the main settings page, and in the search bar, just search Sidebar. Just like that. But if your Oppo phone does not support the Smart Sidebar feature, then go to your home screen and open the Google Play Store. And in the search bar, just search this. Then install this app on your smartphone. Then tap on Open. Now just select Allow and tap on Allow Display over other apps. Now from this app list, just tap on Panels. Then enable this toggle. After that, just make sure that Activate is enabled. Then tap on View. And from here, you can edit the sidebar as you like. For an example, you can edit how much you want the corners of the sidebar to be rounded. Just like that. And from here, you can edit the horizontal offset of the Smart Sidebar. After that, you can change the vertical position of the Smart Sidebar. And from here, you can select how many columns you want to add to your Smart Sidebar. You can select up to 3 columns, and you can select a minimum of 1 column. And from here, you can select how many rows you want to add to your sidebar. Now, after that, just tap on Trigger, and from here, you can edit the trigger of the sidebar. For an example, you can increase or decrease the transparency of the sidebar, and from here, you can increase or decrease the visible width of the sidebar. And from here, you can increase or decrease the width of the trigger space of the sidebar. After that, you can increase or decrease the height of the trigger space of your Smart Sidebar. And once you're done editing your Smart Sidebar, now to turn it on, just swipe and hold from the side of the sidebar. For an example, the sidebar is currently located at the right side of the screen. So I will swipe and hold from the right side of the screen. And from here, you can launch an app which you have added to your Smart Sidebar. Just like that. And this is how you can enable Smart Sidebar on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.